Money Coach coming to you live again. I want to show you this magnificent beach, white sands, emerald water, and you need to come here and be with us on the Pom Pom Tour, baby. Plenty of money, peace of mind. Join me on the beaches of the World Club, Zanzibar style. What do you say, baby? Come with us. Coming to you live at Nungui Beach in Zanzibar, baby. I want you to enjoy the Pom Pom lifestyle. That's plenty of money, peace of mind. Come join us on the beaches of the World Club and these amazing entrepreneurs on the beach, giving you great things, beautiful people, beautiful time, sunset in awesome Zanzibar, baby.
How do you say your shop? Pama? Pama Starfish Tours. So here you can go jet ski, you can go, what else? What else you got? Come talk to me. Let them know what you got.
So we have a life jacket, sleeper, yeah, something like that, maxi. Yeah, we are open every day here.
Open every day. And what can the people do? They can do jet skis.
Yeah.
Can they do kite surfing?
Yeah.
Jet ski, kite surfing.
Yeah, like this.
Okay, what else? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. So we got jet skis and kite surfing here at the Pama Starfish Tours. Nungui Beach offers so much beautiful white sand, beautiful water, and beautiful shopping. Come and join us. We are the 7 Spheres of Money, DJ the Money Coach team, and we live the Pom Pom lifestyle. It's a movement. Come and check us out in Zanzibar.
You can only live the Pom Pom lifestyle if you're here with us, with you. I'll see you next time.